Hey guys, so a lot of you have gotten questions on how Kate curls her hair, so we're going to be doing just a tutorial on how I do it when she comes in to get her hair done. So here we go. I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through what we do. This is the Bio-Ionic long barrel curling iron. It's 1.25 inches. It's a really good size for people with long hair. So we just upgraded her to 22-inch extensions. So there's a lot more hair that needs to be like fit on the barrel. So this is a really good curling iron for that. The key for like kind of loose, beachier waves is starting at the top of the hair and working your way down. I know a lot of people who like use flat irons or whatever other curling irons, they kind of start at the bottom and wind the curling iron up, and I feel like that's what gives you very promish princessy curls. We don't like that. So I always say too, like as we're curling, it kind of looks like a dread, which isn't like super pretty, obviously, as it's cooling off, because it's a little bit of a tighter curl, but when you brush it out and put product in it and everything, it definitely looks beachier. So I'm starting at the top, and as I go, I drop it, kind of rewind it up the curling iron and drop it. Sometimes I'll drop a couple at a time. And I tend to leave a little bit of the ends out and twist that straight. I'm not getting it too wound up in the curling iron. We'll create more of like that bouncy curl. Another tip as well, any hair that's in front of the ear, you curl away from the face, because you want it to like frame the face and give you like volume towards the face. And then after that, we start rotating directions. So this is right at her ear. So I'm gonna do this last piece away. Okay, so let's see. Next step, I take the brush, just a flat brush, and just brush through it. I'm going to take a Volume hairspray and really focus. Dry texture spray, like Do Over, Kevin Murphy. Very dry, has a lot of grit. A waxy texture spray, this one is Touchable by Kevin Murphy. So I'll just kind of do this one as like a last glaze over, just to give her really that beachy hair, the separation in her bang. Yep, so there you have it. There's her pretty beach wave.
Cricket!